Hello guys, good morning. This is our first trial of our DJI Neo drone at ito yung mga kuha natin. Ayan. So, meron po siyang anim na features po at napakaganda po kasi nga hands-free ka, nagvi-video ka, and super handy din niya and easy to use. You just need to be how do you say that, educated by the features, and it's very lightweight drone, so everyone can use it, even kids, because it's really light. And also when you just open your palm and the drone will just landed into your palm. And yeah guys, as you can see in my videos, it's very easy, and I really like the features follow me, because in this video I definitely like the follow me features, because while you're walking, it will film you and also the view. So yes guys, you can buy this in Amazon or any platform for only I think in my computation it's all around 200 euros. So yeah, grab it now. It's good for the beginners, if you are new to use drone. This is perfect for you, kasi yung around the drone, yung hélice niya is very well protected, so even you drop the drone, it will not damage the hélice of your drone. So try it. Maybe you can see this also in some digital stores, so you can try and you can see it in visually in the stores, and they will help you to and educate you on how to use this drone so easily. So yun lang guys, yun po itong aming trial ng aming DJI Neo drone. Yan. And then i-upload nyo po pala yung apps nila na DJI Fly, para po makonect po ninyo sa phone yung kanyang features, so you can control it by your phone. Ang maganda kasi po pag phone po ang ginamit nyo connected sa wifi ng DJI Neo drone, is that lahat po ng kuha niya ay directly nasa phone nyo na po, ita-download nyo na lang po sa inyong photos. So yes, I recommend this DJI Neo drone because it's very friendly user. So guys, grab it now. So mas maganda yung vlogging. Meron din siyang droning, meron siyang skyrocket features, follow me, and 360 I guess. Yes, 360. There's a lot of feature in this drone. 6 features. So you have all the ingredients that you want that your vlog will be very nice and complete, no? Hindi lang sa yung simpleng pagba-vlog, kundi meron na rin po kayong droning. At higit sa lahat po, nasa 20 minutes lang po ang life battery nito. So kailangan may spare kayong battery para kung gusto nyo lahat ng vlog nyo ay more on drone, so you can use this. And I also watched the video of DJI Neo. Iwasan po natin magpalipad ng windy or malapit sa body of water, kasi pag nagkaroon ng hindi magandang signal po ang inyong drone, pag nalaglag po siya sa water, mahirap po siyang i-recover. So, much better po na i-fly nyo lang po siya sa dry land. And hindi na mahirap ma-access kapag nalaglag po ang inyong drone. Ayan. So, dito na po pinakita namin hanggang pag-uwi sa bahay namin, nag-follow yung aking drone. Ayan. Kung nakikita niyo po, naka-follow po siya. Yan, nag-landing lang siya sa aking kamay. That's all.